Even Jonathan, even some pastors, even some men of God fight this man, pursue this man down. And a lot of people, I could remember what happened that year. A lot of people were saying, if Buhari come in that seat, Buhari will stop Boko Haram. He will stop them. He will tell them to go. But now, Buhari don't come. They think they're worse. You cannot use dirty water to wash dirty clothes. You cannot use dirty water to wash dirty clothes. Then pursue Jonathan, because Jonathan has known that what the agenda of these people want to do, and Jonathan is trying his best to stop and then pursue Jonathan out of that seat. When they pursue Jonathan out of that seat, they brought Buhari, make Buhari come lose us. And immediately Buhari come, a lot of Christians say that this man is coming to Islamite this nation. People talk say na lie, na lie, na lie. Then carry pastor put for make pastor become the vice president of Nigeria. Then carry pastor put for the back of Buhari. Buhari where one come Islamite this nation, where they want use to Islamite this nation. Then carry pastor put for his back so that they will deceive us. But what happened is that God scatter his plan. That is why. Because they don't deceive us. But the main thing is that God scattered the agenda. That is the only God that scattered the agenda of Buhari. If not God, his mission, he will fulfill it. And after he want to go out, they want to transfer that mantle to other person that will take over to fulfill the mission. But the problem is, God is scattering. God have put confusion in Nigeria. Biafra won't go. Oduduwa won't go. Everywhere confusion. Everywhere confusion. So they don't know how to control this nation again. Because God himself knows in and out everything that's happening in this nation. God knows all these things. If Biafra no talk about Biafra, if Oduduwa no talk about Oduduwa, their agenda in Nigeria, they will fulfill it. But wait, if you won't come to examine this nation, these people won't go, these people won't go. So everywhere just scattered. So God knows what he's doing in Nigeria. God knows what he's doing in Nigeria. Because that is why I say, no human being can examine this nation. No human being. The former president of Nigeria won't do him die. No human being can do him. Because this country owned by God. This country owned by God. Is there nobody can do. The problem is now, listen, the battle that P2B will face in his tenure, if them allow him to rule Nigeria, it will be worse than the one where Jonathan face. Jonathan own there small, but P2B own go there fire by fire. P2B own go there strong. If they allow him to win, because I know say, in fact, let me stop it here. Let Nigeria in order. But the problem is whether they go allow him to rule Nigeria. That is the main thing. So I'm not against P2B. The man will do well. The man is better than Tinubu, than the Atiku. Is better than them. So the problem is whether they will allow him to rule. Because I know say if they do election next year, P2B go win. That one not sure. But the problem is whether they go carry him put for that seat. That is the main thing. So I'm not against P2B. The video I do last time, I explain you people how demonic politicians has hijacked this nation, how they don't to be, and not as against him. But what I'm saying is truth. They have hijacked this country. They have hijacked this country, and those people, whatever they say, that is will happen in this country. So make you understand what they talk. Look at our soldiers. Look at what happened. They will send them to go and fight Boko Haram. Sometimes the soldiers will be shouting, crying their way in the forest. They no give them enough weapon to fight. Sometimes they will crying. They no give them food. The other time we watch the video, our soldiers do. Then they cry. They talk say, then give them order, make them no come shoot Boko Haram. Have you seen? That is why I told you that this country, there are people that control this country. They have hijacked this nation. And anybody that will come out to work, good work, they will fight that person down. If at the time when Nigeria they good, if we bring P2B, Atiku, Tinubu, I go choose P2B because I know say P2B go rule Nigeria well than these two people. I know. But the problem is say the country don't scattered. The country don't scattered. The country don't scattered. And to build them off, you need to kick off those politicians that hold this pillar of Nigeria.